Let's go ahead. Wait.
What are you guys here for? Yeah. Huh? What are you guys here for? You pass me well.
Okay.
Well, I thought my food helps make it home.
But you had it. You have the card? You must still have time. You still have the worker sign. You
You can't bring handcuffs in here.
Huh?
Handcuffs are not allowed inside.
What do you mean they're not allowed to?
Yeah, they're not allowed.
They're allowed.
They're allowed.
They're for privacy. You can hold them if you want.
No, we can't hold them.
You're wrong. I don't know.
Just leave them here.
Right now, I'll leave it here.
Actually, let me hang them here.
No, we can't leave them here. They have to stay outside.
They're illegal.
No, they're not. But not inside a county.
They're illegal. No, I'm serious.
But not inside a county building.
You might want to check your laws, man. I'm serious.
You can't leave them there. You gotta leave them outside.
¿Hola, español?
Sí.
Oh, es que traigo una cosa en el trabajo. ¿Me la puedes retener?
No
Y me
puedo
va.
hacer nada. Tienen que quedarse.
Cuidado.
You wanna grab your handcuffs?
But I can leave them here.
What do you mean?
Yeah, we're allowed to carry handcuffs, dude.
Yeah, but not inside this